Hi, in this video, we will see how to split the columns and format the columns in for Power BI. So for that, I am going to open Power BI desktop from my desktop area. Remember that the Power BI desktop is free of cost. If you want, you can download it from the internet and you can search for it and download instantly and practice it on your own, and you can learn the complete Power BI. So so in our scenario, right, we are going to split the columns and format the columns. So I'm going to use a excel sheet called transform for that. So for that, I need to click on Excel workbook area, and then I'm going to use this particular transform data file. I'm going to import this transform data file into a Power BI window. Within couple of seconds, the uh, a transform data window will open up. This particular tab I am going to import into the Power BI. So here we are not going to directly use this extra transformations file directly, and uh, we are going to transform this data. I'm not going to click on load because we have to transform this data, right? So you see, you just observe this first column. Country code is concatenated with the product, customer ID. We don't want to do that, and we want to split these columns, right? For that, I'm going to transform the data. So here, whatever the formatting techniques I need, I will apply it, and then I will close and apply. I can click on the close and apply option. Then all the formatting techniques will be applied inside the Power BI. So for that, select the first column where we have the concatenation of country ID and product ID, and go to the transform and add column. So there are two options in Power BI, right? Transform and add column. The major difference is like whatever the formatting or options that you choose from transform, so it will apply on the same column what you have selected. But when it comes to the add column, it will create the same options you can see here. For example, formatting, here also, here you have formatting, here you have format option, and also add column also you have format option. The difference is like if you use a format option in the transform, it will apply in the same column what you have selected. But in add column scenario, if you apply a formatting, right, it will create a separate column at the end. So for our scenario, we are going to use a transform. So I have selected this entire column, and you see split column option here, and you can just click on it. And here you can see various option how you are going to split this particular column using a delimiter or a number of character or a positions, lowercase, digit to non-digit, or non-digit to digit, etc. So you can practice everything whatever the options you have here. First, for our scenario, we are going with delimiter. Just click on the delimiter. So it will ask for the delimiter which you want to use. So our scenario is not colon, comma, equals, and etc, right? We can go for custom, and give a hyphen. So that is our delimiter, right? So country code is separated with, product ID based on the hyphen. So that I'm going to select the custom and give hyphen, then click on OK. You see, right? So this column is separated, and from it is created two columns. One is for product ID, and another one is for customer ID. Okay, this nice. And then we'll do one more thing here. You see, look at this data customer, right? Customer, we have null values, some null values. So if you understand this data set, right, for customer, so here there are nulls. Null means like the data, when they are inserting the data, right, it has been provided something like whatever the first row, first column value appears, right, that value should be filled for the remaining data. For example, Ruby Patel, when I say null here, Ruby Patel will be filled. uh, and another like sender, so here also like this person will should be filled up. So for that, we have an option. Actually, you can select this column and then go to the fill option. We have a fill option here. Remember one thing, so we are doing this option in a transform only, we are not doing any add column, right? So we are going to apply in the same column itself. So click on the fill option, and where you want to fill, down or up? Down, right? Just click on the down, the data will be filled accordingly. So now the data is fine, right? So now we will apply some formatting techniques here, and click on the entire column for customer, and then go to the transform, and in transform format you can see various options like lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, init cap. So our data is already capitalize each word, right? We are not going to use this one. Trim, clean, add prefix, add suffix, etc. We'll see if you click on the lowercase. So and click on the lowercase, the entire column will be converted into a lowercase. If you don't want to do that step, right, you see whatever activity you perform on Power BI, so one applied step will be created here. If you don't want to if you want to undo or redo, right, so you can just undo, you can click on this one and that will go away actually. And then go to the formatting and see what are the other options we have. Trim, so I want to do the trim. A trim will be applied accordingly. So, and then what are options you have here? Mm, uppercase, lowercase we have converted, and clean, add a suffix, we'll see suffix. Okay, suffix means at the end, right, I'm going to put country as India. Let us see how this is going to give the data. See at the end of the column value, so we see India. So see the observe the data, there is no space in between name and uh, suffix that we have added, right? So for that you don't need to do it again and again or remove the step and redo. You can just click on the gear icon here. Sorry, added the suffix, right? You can just click on the gear icon here and then go here and put one extra space in before India, then click on OK. The space will be automatically added, right? Okay. This is what all we wanted to discuss about split columns and format column. I hope this video is useful to you. So if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon. So we are going to discuss some more and more options in Power BI going forward. And also one more thing, that if you want to learn the complete Power BI, right, I am also going to include the uh, complete Power BI video tutorial for you. So you can just click on that given in the description below, and you can download the course instantly and practice it on your own. Okay, thanks for watching this video.